Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix cannot type an input field in Python Visual Studio Code, or this is unable to type an input field in Visual Studio Code. So as you can see, I have here a sample Python code, and onto this code, you need to type in your username so that it should go ahead and print what your username is. If you cannot go ahead and type in for your username, then you're onto the right guide. So for you to be able to fix that, the first thing that you need to do is to head onto the extensions. So here onto the left side, you should be able to find an extensions in here, and that is the shortcut key for that. Here onto the extension, if you click onto that, there is a search bar. You need to type in Code Runner for that, and you should be able to find in this specific extension. So click onto this one, and you need to make sure that you have gone ahead and installed this. So as you can see, I've installed this onto my device already since it is showing uninstalled already in here. So you'll just need to wait for this one. And then right after, you'll need to head here onto files once it is already installed. Click onto preferences and then click onto settings. Here, onto the search bar, you need to type in Code Runner in here. So right after, once you have typed this, you'll just need to go ahead and scroll until you find in the Run in Terminal in here. So as you can see, it is checked already. You need to make sure that this one is checked. And then right after, just head back here onto your code and click onto this run code icon to check if it is working already. So you could type in any username already in here, just like this one. You'll just have to click onto that. And if you click onto that, you should be able to find in your username printed already. And that is just basically it, how you can fix cannot type an input field in Python Visual Studio Code. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.